Hey there, property managers. Want to upgrade your skills and keep your tenants happy? Let's dive into some essential training topics that'll boost your performance and make your job a whole lot easier. First up, customer service skills. It's all about effective communication, active listening, and empathy. Teach your team to handle tenant requests and complaints like pros. Remember, happy tenants mean fewer headaches for you. Next, conflict resolution techniques. Equip your staff with de-escalation tactics and negotiation skills. This helps them manage conflicts calmly and constructively. A peaceful property is a well-managed property. Now, let's talk emergency response procedures. Train your team to handle emergencies like power outages or plumbing disasters. Make sure they know how to contact maintenance, notify tenants, and take temporary action. Quick responses can prevent bigger problems down the line. So how do you structure this training program? Start with a comprehensive onboarding for new hires. Cover customer service, property policies, maintenance basics, and emergency response. Make it a week-long training with shadowing experienced staff. Don't forget monthly or quarterly refreshers. Regular sessions reinforce core topics and address recent challenges. Keep the standards high, always. And, of course, annual professional development. Offer advanced training like property management certifications. This helps your team develop specialized skills and advance in their careers. Developing training materials is key. Create a customer service handbook with best practices and sample scripts. A conflict resolution guide with scenarios and responses can help too. And don't forget an emergency protocols manual. Every team member should know their role in a crisis. Evaluate training effectiveness with performance assessments and tenant surveys. Use role-playing exercises to simulate real-life situations. And always encourage feedback from your team to improve the program. Finally, set clear expectations, reward outstanding service, and foster a positive work environment. Happy staff means happy tenants. By investing in a structured training plan, you'll ensure your team is prepared, motivated, and ready to handle anything. Thanks for tuning in, and happy managing.